Hello and welcome to this Grahamspiration Port Glass. I'm presenting to you Marcel, our glass artist.
Hi, welcome everybody. What I made for Grahamsport is I made an exclusive cocktail glass. The glass is made of Liba 2000. It's a very special glass and it's food safe. Every glass is unique. They are all different. They are not two the same.
Thank you. The cocktails that I made, we start with the blend number 5. It's made with a bit of chartreuse and elderflower, a bit of the floral notes and the herbal notes of the cocktail. Then we have the blend number 12. We have a lot of berries and we mix it with a special one with coffee and tonic, a little bitterness, very refreshing. Then we have the 6 grapes. We blend it with Cynar and white rum. It's very refreshing, a bit like a Negroni, perfect for the summer, a bit strong. And then we have the last one, the Graham's 20 years Tawny. It's made with a bit of anise spirits, pastis, and a bit of scotch. A very fulfilling drink.
Okay, you know, wait, let's try one.
Right,
I would say cheers everybody. We
Cheers.
will enjoy it.